And welcome back. The Jamaica Lacrosse Association have welcomed the decision from the world governing body, World Lacrosse, to push back the Men's World Cup from 2022 to 2023 in Los Angeles. Simon Preston has that story.
The Jamlax boys will have to wait a little longer to grace the international stage once more, with the quadrennial showpiece now pushed back a year due to the pandemic. Following Wednesday's announcement, national player Donahue Simpson, who was a member of Jamaica's squad to the 2018 World Cup in Israel, is pleased with the delay of the tournament.
I'm actually very happy that the World Cup has been switched from 2022 to 2023, simply because everyone could admit that this year was not the best year that we could possibly get. We went through some unprecedented times, and I believe that with this extra year that we have, basically, even with the appointment of our new Director of Operations, Brian Silcott, I believe that he knows exactly what needs to be done, and I believe that he can point us in the right direction. So regardless of how much longer it is, which is obviously 1 year, I believe that that's one more year for us to get a solid project in and to actually work on it and perfect our skills.
President of the JLA, Calbert Hutchinson, agrees.
We know that it is in an effort to accommodate athlete availability, but most importantly for us, it will help to ease the financial burden that our association will face as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic. So again, we welcome the move by World Lacrosse to push back the date. It gives us some breathing space to, pull ourselves together and get out of this pandemic.
Hutchinson says the JLA are also working on warm-up matches ahead of the qualifiers in 2022.
Our coaches, our players, our Director of Operation, Brian Silcott, is working hard in bringing all of those stakeholders together. We have some training sessions set up, some practice games line up with the Iroquois National in the States as well.
Jamaica finished 13th at the Lacrosse World Cup in 2018 out of 46 teams. Simon Preston reporting for TVJ Sports.